Well, let's look at a more complex quadratic equation. Solve the equation. Solve the equation. Solve the equation 4x raised to power 4 minus 37x squared plus 9 is equal to 0. So we have to solve for the value of x. But we see that this one is already raised to power 4. This is raised to power 2. That is plus 9. So solution, first we have 4x raised to power 4 minus 37x squared plus 9 is equal to 0. So let y, we can say y or m to be x squared. If we let y to be x squared, then that should imply that here we have 4y squared minus 37y plus 9 is equal to 0. So I'm looking for two numbers whose product is 36 and sum is negative 37. That has to be negative 1 and negative 36. So 4y squared minus y minus 36y plus 9 is equal to 0. I factorize y, so I have 4y minus 1. Then here again I factorize, now minus 9. Minus 9 into 4y minus 1, like that, is equal to 0. So I have y minus 9 in bracket 4y minus 1. Is equal to 0. Those are the two possibilities. That should mean that that means that either y minus 9 is equal to 0 or 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. So when y minus 9 is equal to 0, we have y to be 9. And here, so y is 9 or a quarter. Y is 9 or a quarter. But our y was x squared. That should then mean, but y is equal to x squared, implying that x is equal to root of y. X is root of y. Therefore, x is 3 or half. 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 Now, but the values that x can take, being that y is equal to x squared, then and the fact that we have a square root here should mean that we can take positive or minus. Here we can also take positive or minus values, in which case still conforms to our requirement. So that is the solution, and we meet in my next video.